headlines. We continue to follow the latest in the military hazing trial of Danny Chen. A military jury has struck down the most serious charges against the first of 8 soldiers on trial for the death of the Chinese-American soldier. Sergeant Adam Holcomb was found guilty of assaulting Chen and taunting him for his race, but the jury did not connect those actions with his death. CCTV's Jessica Stone has been following the case since charges were first brought back in February. She joins us now live from Fort Bragg, North Carolina with the latest. Jessica, what's next?
Well, the next is the sentencing, actually. We've been in on part of the sentencing hearing today, but Sergeant Holcomb faces a maximum of 2 years in prison, and the jury will unveil their decision on that on Tuesday. Now, as you've said, after that, a 3-star general gets the case. He makes the final determination on what happens next with Sergeant Holcomb in terms of both the charges and the sentencing. That could take up to 6 months. In the meantime, 2 of the 8 defendants in this case have pled guilty to all or part of the charges against them. They could be asked to testify against the other soldiers if they get immunity. The next trial is August 13th. That's for Specialist Ryan Offit, who faces very similar charges, as did Sergeant Adam Holcomb.
Jessica, what can we deduce from all of this? What will this mean for the other 7 soldiers that are charged, do you think?
Well, what I've come to understand is that a conviction on negligent homicide in the case of a suicide has never happened in the military court system, and it's very hard to prove in the civilian court system. So this is a case where the military charged the maximum level of charges against this individual and many of the others, and it's just not common for them to win. So they will go to court for the next 4 defendants who are also charged with negligent homicide and reckless endangerment, these very severe charges where you literally have to be able to show the jury that the actions of the defendant led directly to Danny Chen's suicide. We are bound to see some more difficult cases to prove.
Jessica Stone, live for us outside Fort Bragg in North Carolina. Thanks so much.